Hello everyone, and welcome to I Can Code Now. In this video, we will discuss keywords in C++. Just as cells are the smallest unit of life, tokens are the fundamental building blocks of a program. In C++, tokens can be classified into 5 categories: keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, and strings. In this video, we will discuss keywords and compare them to identifiers. So, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are essentially reserved words that are predefined by the creators of programming languages. In C++, there are approximately 95 keywords, each serving a distinct purpose that aids in the successful compilation of programs. These keywords cannot be used for other purposes, such as creating variables or functions. All keywords are written in lowercase. Below are some of the keywords that you will commonly encounter in C++ program. Now let's take a moment to review identifiers. Identifiers are informative, typically short names that uniquely identify C++ variables, functions, classes, and other entities. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers because identifiers are user-defined words, whereas keywords are predefined words used for specific purposes. Identifiers follow the same rules as those for creating variables. Let's write some code, utilize keywords, and create identifiers. Essentially, we have encountered several keywords, one of which is int, which stands for integers. Int is a keyword, and in order to create a variable, we need to create an identifier for that variable. Let's name it first, and initialize it with a value as well. This is a reserved keyword, and this is the identifier. We now understand, keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Therefore, if I attempt to use a keyword as an identifier, the compiler will not permit it. One such keyword is bool. I cannot use the bool keyword as an identifier because identifiers are user-defined, and we cannot use predefined words or keywords as identifiers since they are meant to be user-defined terms. Similarly, there are other keywords such as float, and if, and while, and many more. Let's run this program to see what happens. As you can see, it indicates that bool is illegal because we attempted to use bool as an identifier, which is not permitted in C++. Out of the 95 keywords, none can be used as identifiers. Therefore, any predefined word cannot be used as a user-defined identifier. Let's briefly examine the differences between keywords and identifiers to conclude our discussion. Keywords are predefined reserved words, while identifiers are user-defined names for variables and other entities. Keywords can only be in lowercase, whereas identifiers can be in both uppercase and lowercase. Keywords can only contain alphabetic characters, while identifiers may include digits, alphabetic characters, and underscores. Keywords help maintain the syntax of the language as defined by the creators of programming languages, while identifiers are created by programmers to easily remember the names of user-defined elements. Finally, there are numerous keywords, and also can create any identifiers, for example these. That concludes our discussion on keywords. We hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment to let us know your thoughts. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in another video.